Sunday bike. $17,000. 2 weeks, 1,000. Yay! What the hell is going on tonight? But this is. Oh, come! Oh, but fuck you, fucking bus driver. Ah, seriously, I'm very, very upset now. It's very frustrating. The other guy was 2 minutes ago. Fuck's sake, man, they don't give a fuck. Huh?
You have sticker?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your bike looks nice, I was gonna say.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. I was thinking that XRM look very, very good. I like the tail light. Fuck me. Didn't expect that. Sexy, sexy. Oh, sexy girl, diba? Sexy girl, no? No? Wife doesn't approve. Huh? No. Bakit? Wife doesn't approve at all. Deported. Shit. This fucking bump. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's fine. Time will tell if it's fine. Oh, I didn't feel it at first. I think I just changed the Iradium spark plug. I just changed for Iradium spark plug, and I get a little bit more punch at when I accelerate. Hi.
May nakaharang dun sir, di ba?
Which one? So,
Is
oh well, that was nice. Oh, 6 point, huh? Very good. Bakla maybe, I don't know. Shit, man. At least people are having fun at work. Oversized. Oversized. Stupid bitch. She's just smiling about it. Like, it's funny, you know what I mean? Like, I was trying to look the way she was. I was slowing down and she just turned in the middle like that. I just think it's funny. People are laughing like that. Sometimes I wanna, you know, tell them, oh, you're not right in your head. You know there's something wrong with you.
I'm in love with the shape of you.
That big ass. True though. Ganda, no? Very sexy. Very bad, very bad. I don't know what to say. I mean, I don't know what to say. Wow, that was very, very silly.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my